Jai Gurudev. Sarvangasana demonstration. Have normal breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Full breath. Maintain a smile too. Namaste to Guruji. And take a position which can be flat Shanti Asana or folded knees. Look at the position. You can take the support of a wall or a door in case you are not able to lift fully. Just relax and lift your torso. Lift. You can hold the butt or lift further and hold the place near the waist. Do it against a wall, or if you are experienced, you have practiced, do it. Normal breathing. The most important thing in this position is the chin lock with the chest. This Sarvangasana increases circulation of your blood towards your lungs, heart, increases hair growth, increases body metabolism, helps digestion. It can help relieve common cold. One common practice is to bring down the knees in this position, to fold it and again kick it up so that you give a sort of a pumping action for more blood circulation. When you're done with holding it for 30 seconds more or less, you can bring down to the normal position, maintain the position, come back. So simple, isn't it? So this is on International Yoga Day. We wish you all happiness.